iPad Apple has ever made. And then, you freeze. Because deep down you already know. Most people are using this beast completely wrong. And the worst part? Apple will never tell you the real hacks that actually turn it into a laptop killer, a pro creative station, or even, hear me out, a secret side hustle machine. Today I'm spilling everything the pros, the leakers, and the top 0.1% of iPad power users don't want you to know about the M4 iPad Pro in 2025. No fluff, no sponsored segments. Just raw, unfiltered truth that can literally save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars over the next 2 years. Stick around till the end because I'm dropping one leaked workflow that's quietly making certain creators and freelancers an extra $3,000 to $8,000 a month right now. And it only works best on the M4 iPad Pro. Let's start with the lie Apple keeps repeating. They say, this is the thinnest Apple product ever. 5.1 millimeters. Thinner than a pencil. Sounds sexy, right? But here's what they don't say out loud. Because it's so thin, it flexes. Yes, the 13-inch model has very noticeable flex if you grab it the wrong way. And guess what? Reddit, Twitter, and private Facebook groups are already filling with people who cracked their $1,999 machine just by normal everyday handling. So rule number 1 the influencers won't tell you. Never ever carry this thing naked in a backpack with books or a laptop pressing on the middle. Always use a rigid case or the magic keyboard. Period. Now let's talk about the screen. Tandem OLED, 120 Hz, 1600 nits peak HDR. Stupid good. But 90% of buyers are still watching Netflix and YouTube on it like it's a giant iPhone. Huge mistake. Here's the first real power move. Go into Settings, Display and Brightness, turn on Reference Mode. If you do any color critical work, photography, video editing, design, most people never even know it exists. Reference Mode locks the white point to D65 and turns off True Tone. Your colors become dead accurate. Clients notice. You get paid faster. But wait, there's a hidden cheat code inside Reference Mode most YouTubers still haven't caught in 2025. If you pair Reference Mode with the new Pro Display XDR in macOS Sidecar, the iPad Pro becomes the only portable monitor in the world that can do true 1600 nit HDR reference monitoring on battery. Filmmakers are losing their minds over this. One colorist on X posted he canceled his $4,000 monitor order after discovering it. Okay, next bombshell. The M4 chip. Apple says it's up to 50% faster than M2. Cool. But real world, it destroys every Windows on ARM device right now in sustained performance. Why? Because Apple's cooling is actually passive-aggressive genius. There is no fan. But the graphite sheets and copper vapor chamber spread heat so well that the iPad Pro can run at near peak clocks for 25 to 35 minutes straight before any real throttling. That means you can render 4K ProRes 422 HQ timelines in Final Cut Pro faster than most $2,500 Windows laptops. But here's where it gets spicy. Apple quietly added hardware ray tracing acceleration in the M4 GPU. And in May 2025, a leaked Octane Bench result showed the 10-core M4 GPU beating the RTX 4050 Mobile in certain GPU compute tasks, while using 1/4 the power. Game developers and 3D artists are already porting small Unreal Engine projects to the iPad Pro just to demo at client meetings. The iPad is becoming a stealth pitch machine. Let's get practical. You bought this to replace your MacBook, but you're still carrying both. Why? Because you don't know the Stage Manager cheat codes yet. Most people open Stage Manager, see 3 tiny windows, get frustrated, and turn it off forever. Wrong move. Secret number 1. Triple-click the home bar. Yes, triple-click. And you unlock Enhanced Pointer Control. Suddenly you get pixel-perfect cursor placement like macOS. Secret number 2. Hold Option while dragging any window to force it into a floating state that ignores Stage Manager snapping. You can layer floating windows over full-screen apps. This is how pros run Discord plus Notion plus Safari plus Final Cut all visible at once. Secret number 3. Connect a Bluetooth mouse and the Magic Keyboard A.